Hi guys, so the respond to a review feature just went live under the host hub. Click on host, click on reviews, scroll down, and any reviews posted in the last 30 days you can leave a public response to, like I'm doing here. This is one of my all-time favorite reviews left from a renter of mine, a repeat renter. So I'm super excited about this because this is one more additional way that you can reach out to your renters and just touch base with them, thank them for the experience, and hopefully solicit them to come back and rent from you again. So today I'm definitely going to be spending some time on crafting some new messages so I reach out to these people in the best way possible, and it just looks really good on your profile for potential renters because they can see how you interact with people, and it's just one more way for them to get to know you. So if you go back to your main profile, scroll down to your reviews, you can go ahead and see the response show up as public, and that is really awesome. So definitely get after this new feature, guys. Thanks for watching.